How many times have you been dying for something sweet after you eat and you need all the self-control you can get? No more. I am going to show you how to make a big ass chocolate bar that is good for you and part of my meal plan. And all you need is chocolate protein powder, almond milk, and coconut oil. That's it. All right, put a scoop of chocolate protein powder in a bowl. Put a tablespoon of coconut oil and melt it in the microwave for about a minute. Add it to the protein powder, add some almond milk, mix. Then you are going to get a piece of parchment/wax paper and you're going to spread it out like a big ass chocolate bar. Put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes and there you have it.